Hi, everybody. It's Professor Mitchell, continuing Chapter 8 on geometry and measurement. Today, we're going to talk about capacity. So these are units of measurement for measuring liquids, usually. So we have the US system. We'll define US units of capacity and convert from one unit to another, perform arithmetic operations on US units of capacity, and then we'll define metric units of capacity and convert from one unit to another, and also perform arithmetic operations on metric units of capacity. So this is going to work really similar to linear measurement and also weight and mass. So in the US system, we have 4 different ways of measuring capacity. We have fluid ounces, which is the smallest sort of commonly used measure. There are 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup. There are 2 cups in 1 pint. There are 2 pints in 1 quart. And there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. I guess that's 5. I said 4. Yeah, fluid ounces, cups, pints, quarts, gallons. All right, so starting off, if we wanted to convert 11 quarts to gallons, remember that there are 4 quarts in a gallon. So we'll do this with the unit fractions, the way we've done it before. All right. Multiply 11 quarts by 1 gallon over 4 quarts, right? We want to put quarts on the bottom because we want these quarts to cancel out. That's what happens here. It leaves gallons though, which is what we want. We want the answer to be in gallons. So in the end, we get 11 gallons divided by 4, which is 11/4 gallons. And you would probably convert that to a mixed number. So as a mixed number, that would be 2 3/4 gallons. All right, in the next example, we want to convert 18 cups to quarts. Now this one is maybe a little bit more challenging because if you go back to the chart that we were looking at the beginning, it does not come right out and say how to change cups into quarts. It says how to change cups into pints and how to change pints into quarts. All right, so there are a couple different ways to handle that, but maybe the simplest way is to just say, okay, we know there are 2 pints in 1 quart, and we know there are 2 cups in 1 pint. So if there are 2 cups in 1 pint, there must be 4 cups in 2 pints. So that means 4 cups is equal to 1 quart. So that'll give me the unit fraction that I need. So 18 cups, we'll multiply that by 1. And then because we want cups to cancel out, we will write the unit fraction like this: 1 quart over 4 cups. Cups will cancel out and will leave me with 18/4, which simplifies to 9/2. And again, I would probably write that answer as a mixed number. It would be 4.5 quarts. All right, that brings us to metric units of capacity. So the base unit for capacity in the metric system is the liter, all right? And then we use the same prefixes that we were using for linear measurement and for mass. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Kilo, hecto, deca, your base unit, deci, centi, milli. Now, for whatever reason, the only 2 of these that are sort of in everyday use are the milliliter and the liter. The others you don't really hear about all that often. So let's say we wanted to convert 4,510 milliliters to liters. We would do that the same way that we were doing, with linear measurement and mass. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. We want to get from milliliters to liters. So that means we're going to be moving 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So we will move the decimal point in 4,510, three places to the left. and that'll give us that 4,510 milliliters is equal to 4 and 51/100 liters. Here's one you can try if you're feeling confident. Want to convert 195 thousandths deciliters to milliliters. So again, list your unit measurements. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. There's deciliters and there's milliliters. So we're going to move 1, 2 places to the right, which means we're going to take the decimal point in 195 thousandths and move it 2 places to the right. So that'll tell us that 195 thousandths deciliters is equal to 19 5/10 milliliters. And finally, if you have a problem like this, 1,250 milliliters plus 2 9/10 liters, we did problems like this under linear measurement and mass. You just want to convert one of these so that they're in the same units. So they decided to convert the milliliters into liters. And now it's very easy to add 2 9/10 liters plus 1 25/100 liters. That would give you 4 15/100 liters. And that's it for capacity.